It looks so delicious. It's like delicious as earth. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken adobo. My way, of course. So let's start. So I'm going to use a chicken drumstick for our chicken adobo. So I have this already clean and ready to put some ingredients on it. So next I'm going to prepare some ingredients, and I need to slice one whole onion to put in the chicken, you know, chicken adobo. Sama na ito eh. So this one is ready, and I'm going to like put it in here. So I'm going to press some garlic. I think I'm going to show you. So I have all my ingredients ready. I have this white vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, dahon ng laurel, peppercorn, and I'm going to use Himalayan fine pink sea salt, and also onions, and of course I'm going to put the SPRITE 200 ml for marinating the chicken. So let's all put them in our like chicken drumstick. So first I'm going to put the soy sauce, and next vinegar. It's a lot, huh? And this one, onions, and garlic, dahon ng laurel, and what's next? I'm going to just get some Himalayan salt. I'm not going to put everything because we use a lot of soy sauce already. And then peppercorn. Some peppercorn, guys. And yeah, I think that's it. This time I'm going to add this 200 ml like SPRITE, just to make the chicken more like softer or smoother, you know, for marinating this. And then let's just like set it for 30 minutes before we're going to start cooking. Okay, 30 minutes guys, 30 minutes. So I will add this magic syrup, all-in-one seasoning granules. So adding a teaspoon of sugar will move sweeter side if you're going to cook a chicken adobo. So we're going to heat the pot, and then after like a few seconds we're going to add the marinated chicken. Okay, we're going to add this whole thingy. Started to boil a little bit. And let's wait for a couple of like minutes until we can start adding like 1 cup of water. So I already add the sugar. Look. And then I'm going to add the water as well. Okay. It's almost there. Let it cook. Let it cook. Oh my goodness. Smells really good, guys. I don't know what to do. Hey, yay! We're almost totally done. So I think this is all done and finished. It looks so delicious. It's like delicious as I haven't tasted yet, but for sure it's yummy. It's yummy for sure because I'm a cook, you know, I'm a cook. So okay guys, that's about it, and thank you for watching my video. Let me know if you want this kind of video next time. So see ya.